Hey guys, Hurricane Zay is here. Today I will be reviewing a toxic user known as Sarah Davis. Let's start, shall we? First off, he can't handle dislikes at all, as he made a video basically telling them to stop disliking his videos. But that video is just stolen from Senior Colors UTTTTHDTC bruh. We can dislike your videos whenever we want, whether you like it or not. 2. He is a massive troll feeder as he takes his imposters and the UTTT trolls way too seriously. Bruh, all they want is attention from you, and you are giving it to them. 3. He rages in all caps, proving he is immature. 4. He one time said he would stop raging in caps, but he lied, he is still raging in caps. 5. He makes user videos, mainly on his haters, which proves not only he is a superbly, but it also proves he can handle hate. 6. Whenever he finds a bad video out of him, he would send his fanless to attack that user, which further proves he can handle hate. 7. He thinks good users and bad users exist when they don't. 8. He claims he hates Logo's channel MLUTTT, yet he uses videos that were made by him to superbly his haters. 9. He hates people all because they hate him, which again further proves that he can handle hate. 10. His content can get repetitive at times. 11. He spy scribes his haters. Dude, spy scribe is not even a word. Also, you are basically giving that person more subscribers, which is a good thing. And 12. He takes his haters way too seriously. Like seriously? Can you ignore your haters for once? Okay, that's all for this rant. Also, if you like him, I can handle your opinion. Okay, bye.